How's it going, guys? In today's YouTube video, we're going to be going over how to install iOS updates and application updates and where to find them. Let's go ahead and get started. Remaining on old software is certainly fine. However, there are certainly implications that one must understand when remaining on older software. People that would remain on older software typically would be someone like a collector or an individual that is actually limited to an older application on an older device with the older software installed onto it. And just to understand the ramifications that will come along with that, or implications, you'll experience potential bugs, limited features, limited internet access, and other network features. Those things do require the latest software to function properly, so one thing you may experience is uncertain encountering of bugs. Installing iOS and app updates is the standard recommendation for daily use on your iPhone or iPad, so you're using the device without any problems or bugs on the software. Now let's go ahead and get started showing you how it's done installing your iOS application updates and also iOS updates in general. Just make sure to have your Apple ID password handy, as it may become needed. To check for updates, your device must be connected to the internet, or optionally a computer that runs iTunes or the music application that is also connected to the internet. The internet is something that is required to install iOS updates. Let's go ahead and get started showing you this example over the air on the iPhone. Okay, getting started, on your iPhone or iPad, open up the Settings application. The Settings application is the icon that is the color gray and looks like a gear. Scroll down and head to the section in the Settings menu labeled General and select Software Updates from this menu. The device will automatically check for software updates from this screen. If you see your software is up to date, that will mean that you are already on the latest iOS version for your particular device. If updates are available, you will be prompted to install the updates or download them. After the update is downloaded onto your device, you will want to make sure that you have plenty of battery on your phone and also that it is connected to a charger to ensure that you do not have any issues installing the update. This is especially necessary for updates that are very large, so it is a good idea to connect to a charger for software updates on your iPhone. After the update is installed, your device will reboot a few times and you'll have to wait a bit and you're done. Just make sure to have your Apple ID password handy, as we mentioned before, as it may become prompted on the device. Let's go ahead and check to see how to do application updates. On your iPhone or iPad, open up the application icon on your phone. This is the blue colored icon with the pencil and paintbrush icon in the triangle arrangement. Once you have it open, in the current version of iOS as of 2021, the location for where updates are located will be at the top right of the screen. Click on your user profile icon and scroll down to where you see it will show updates are available. If updates are available, you will see several and you can hit the update all to update all apps at once. If you want to do them on an individual basis, simply hit the update button next to each app that you would like to update. You will see in this example as shown here, the applications are installing. Do keep in mind that app updates do not install instantaneously and they will require a little bit of time to install. One thing that impacts installation time will be your internet connection speed. If you have a slow internet connection speed, the application and iOS updates may take longer than expected. So please keep that note in mind. If you liked what you saw in today's video, please drop us a like and also leave us a comment letting us know how we did. Please leave us a comment as well, letting us know what kind of content you would like to see on our channel in the future. Please hit the subscribe button, hitting the notification bell icon so you get notifications and updates when we post videos like this. Again, thank you for watching the YouTube channel of the Apple Exchange and have a wonderful Saturday.